Hello guys, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the square of any two-digit number. For example, here I am taking the number 25. For the number 25, we have to find the square. We can find the square of any number by using 3 simple steps. Now let us see how to find the squares of any two-digit number. Here for finding the square, first we have to find the square of individual number. That is like this: 2 square equal to 4 and 5 square equal to 25. After finding the square of individual numbers, in the step 2, we have to multiply these two numbers with the square. That is like this: 2 into 5 into 2. You can also see here for better understanding. If we multiply 2 into 5 into 2, then we got the answer 20. Now in the third step, we have to add the numbers that we got in the step 1 and in the step 2. Here, what we got the number in the step 1? In the step 1 we got 425. In the step 2 we got the 20. So we have to add these values in the step 3. If we add these values, that is 425 plus 20, it goes to 625. So the square of 25 is 625. You can see the answer. Now let us see another example. Now let us take a big number, that is 89. For the number 89, we are going to find the square. For finding the square of 89, follow the same steps. That is, in the step 1, we have to square the individual numbers. That is, 8 square equal to 64 and 9 square equal to 81. In the step 2, we have to multiply like this. That is, 8 into 9 into 2. If we multiply these three numbers, then we got the answer 144. Then in the final step, add these both numbers that we got in the step 1 and step 2. Here, what the value that we got in the step 1? In the step 1, we got 6491. In the step 2, we got the value 144. So add both values in the step 3. That is 6481 plus 144. If we add both values, then we got the answer 7921. Always note that when you add both numbers, always start adding from the left side. This is the note point here. And now this is the question how to solve, and tell the answer in the comment section. And if you understand this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.